Hello students, welcome back to the series of our question solving lectures. Today's topic is equality, inequality and use of letters. So let us first see what is an equality, what is an inequality and how we are using letters in this equality, inequality. See, I am writing something here for equality. Say 5 plus 7. This is equal to 12. And 3 into 4 also equal to 12. See, 5 plus 7, we just add and we get the answer. Same way here we multiply and get the answer. And both are same. Both are equal to 12. And this can be written like this. 5 into 7 is equal to 3 into 4. So this is an equality. Here also we have used, this is also an equality. This is also an equality. Equality means when both the sides, that is left hand side and right hand side, both the sides are equal. They are written using this symbol called is equal to sign. You all know this sign. So if both the sides are equal, we use this symbol called equal to sign, and then this is called an equality. Right? And equality is like a balance. This side, this is called left hand side, and this is right hand side. LHS equal to RHS, then we say that both the sides are equal and this is an equality. If these two sides are not equal, then it is called an equality, and then we use symbols less than and greater than. If one side is less than the other, we apply this symbol that is called less than symbol. And if suppose the first side is, that is LHS is greater than RHS. Suppose, for example, here it is 5 plus 8. And here it is 4 into 12, 3. Then naturally this is 13, this is 12. So I will use this symbol. So this is an inequality. This is inequality and this is an equality. And now in equality, both the sides are equal. And that is why whatever we do on LHS, same function is to be done on RHS side. Right? For example, see, I will remove this. Yeah. See, for example, our equality was 5 plus 7 equal to 3 into 4. This is our equality. Suppose if I add 2 on this side, that is 5 plus 7 plus 2. Then what I should do, I must add 2 on the other side also. That is 3 into 4 plus 2. And then only this side remains as it is. Otherwise, it will become an inequality. And that is why same function is to be done on both the sides. Or similarly, if I multiply this by 2, then here also I have to multiply by 2. And then the answer will remain same on both the sides. So this is the way equality, we use properties of equality for solving few sums. What type of sums? Now, in this equality, instead of number, if a letter is used, use of letters we are talking about now. So if the letter is used, for example, here suppose if I say 5 plus x is equal to 3 4s are 12. Look here, I have used letter over here. That means we use letter for unknown numbers. What should be added to 5 so that the product is 12? And that number is to be found. Now for finding that number or the value of that number, we need to use these properties of equality. Just now what I said, that whatever you add at LHS, same thing is to be added to RHS, or whatever function. If I multiply by something, the same other side we have to multiply by same thing, right? Same number. Similarly, if I divide by 2, On the other side also, I have to divide by 2. So same function if we do, and then we can find out value of this unknown. Now this equality is called an equation. In higher classes, when you will go to higher classes, you will learn this as an equation of one unknown later, that is called variable. That you will learn, everything you will learn in higher classes, right? So in this particular topic, we are going to learn about this type of use of letters and inequality. Uses of symbols like less than and greater than. Okay. See, for example, here, suppose if I do 5 plus 7 plus 2, and this side I will not add 2. Are these two sides equal? 5 plus 2, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. And here it is 12. These two sides are not equal. So I will write like this. They are not equal. Then which side is greater? This side is greater. Here it is 14. So 14 is greater than 12. And therefore, I can write this in the form of an inequality, that is 5 plus 7 plus 2 is greater than 3 into 4. So this is an equality. In this topic, we are going to discuss sums based on all this. So let us start solving questions. Okay. See, here is our first question. Letters are used over here. Okay. Now, first, what is given? That T plus 15 equal to 27. So, as I have told you, we have to find the value of this T. It has unique value. Only one value will satisfy. Satisfy this equation means both LHS and RHS must be same. So to get 27 here, something is to be added to 15. What is to be added to 15? Now for solving this type, as I have told you, there are two methods. One is we have to keep this T alone, and therefore this 15 is to be removed. So let us subtract 15 from this side. And therefore same thing is to be done on this at RHS, so subtract 15. And now what will happen? This 15 minus 15 will 0, so only T will remain. And here the answer will be 12. So value of T is 12. This is one method. Another method is we can take numbers on one side and keep letters on the other side. So keep T on this side and take 15 on the other side. This method is called transpose method. We can take one number from other number. But at that time what happens? The function changes. Here it is addition. If you take on the other side, it will become subtraction. So this is alternate method. T is equal to 27 minus 15. Same thing we did here also. But instead of writing this everything, what you can do in short, this is short method. This 15 is to be taken on the other side. What is our aim? We have to keep the letter alone at one side and numbers on the other side. So we are taking 15 on the other side. And here when we change the side, the function changes. If it is addition, it becomes subtraction. If it is subtraction, it becomes addition. If it is multiplication, then division. And division, multiplication. Okay. And now simple, T is equal to 12. Now one value we got. What we have to find out? We have to find out T plus M. So another equation is given to us. That is 7 into M is equal to 28. Now let us use transpose method, which is shorter method, fast method. So what to do? We have to remove this 7. We have to take 7 on the other side. Here on this side, it is multiplied with M. So if you take on the other side, it will be divided by. So M is equal to 28 upon 7. And therefore M is equal to 4. So we got both the values, T and N. And just let us simply add them. T plus M is equal to 12 plus 4. And that is equal to 16. So this is the answer. What is the option? Option C. This is the answer. Okay, so how we find the value of later, how we are using later, and then how to find the value of that later, we have seen in this question. Okay, now let us do next. Here also the same thing. Look here. It is slightly different type of sum. Okay, look here. What is given that 4m plus 15 equal to 75. Transpose method, 15 is to be taken on the other side to keep m on one side, right? So let us take 15 on the other side. Here it is added. If you take that side, it will be minus. So 4m equal to 75 minus 15. So 4m is equal to 60. Now we have to find the value of m, not 4m. Because m into n we have to find out there. So let us find the value of m, and therefore 4 is to be taken here. It will be now divided by, and therefore m is equal to 15. First value we got, m is equal to. Similarly, let us find out n. Here it is given 3n is equal to 81. Let us take 3 on the other side. That means divided by. So n is equal to 81 upon 3, and therefore n is equal to 27. We got both the values, m and n. Okay, so now let us see what is the question. Question is m into n is equal to 81% of x. Now what is this percent? We are going to discuss about this topic afterwards, but just now in short, I will tell you 81%, the meaning of percent means something with respect to 100. Denominator is 100. If I write x percent, means it is x upon 100. We have here 81%, and therefore this is nothing but 81 upon 100. So let us take here, what is m? M is 15 into n is 27, and this is equal to 81% of, means multiplication. Here nothing is given, that means here it is multiplication, and we have to find the value of x, right? So what to do? We have to take this whole number on the other side to find the value of x. So let us keep x on this side as it is, and here we will take 15 into 27 and this number. Now when this fraction we take on the other side, it becomes the reciprocal. This 100 is divided over here. When you bring on the other side, it will be multiplied by 100 and 81 will be divided. And now let us simplify. 27 and 81. 27 ones are, 27 threes are. And then 15 and 3. 3 ones are, 3 fives are. What is remaining? 5 into 100. And that is my x. X is equal to 500. So now see the answer where it is. Yes, it is option A. Answer is 500. Let us move to next question. Look here now. A tank is 3/5 full, but we don't know what is full. Full means it is fully means completely filled, right? So full means, and we don't know how much it is, what is its capacity, how many liters it is. So let us consider that particular tank, the capacity of that tank is X liters. Okay, so let us take let capacity of tank is X liters, because all the answers are in liters, so we will consider this as a liter. And now how much it is filled? It is 3/5. 3/5 of X, it is filled. Now afterwards what they say, if 8 liters of water is added, let us add 8 liters here. Then what happens? Added to the tank, it becomes 5/7 of full. Our full capacity is 6 liters. 3/5 was filled. We added 8 liters of water. Now what happens? It becomes 5/7 of full. This is full. This is full. Okay, now it has become an equation. Again, 3x, multiply this, 3x upon 5 plus 8 is equal to 5x upon 7. Take this on the other side, keep 8 here as it is. So 5x upon 7 minus 3x upon 5. Now this is just a question of fractions. Fractions are given. This x is common in both. So what I will do, I will keep 8 is equal to x, and in the bracket I will write 5 upon 7 minus 3 upon 5. And now we have to do subtraction. It is a question of fractions, addition or subtraction of fractions. So LCM is 35, they are prime numbers. So product LCM 35, so multiply 5 into 5 upon 7 into 5 minus 3 into 7 upon 5 into 7. And therefore 8 is equal to x into bracket 25 minus 21 upon 35. So what will happen? 8 is equal to x into 4 upon 35. Now again, like previous sum, this fraction is to be taken on the other side. So we have to make reciprocal and bring that side. So here it will be So here it will be 8 into 35 upon 4 equal to x. And now cancel this, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, and then 2 into 35 is x. So x is 70. And what is this x? Liters. So 70 liters. Okay. So what's the answer? What's the answer? 70 liters. Option C. Okay, so now let us move to next question. Look here now. This is the question of an inequality. They are saying that put this symbol. Out of these three, any symbol can come over there. It can be an equality, it can be an inequality. So let us simplify it. First of all, we will consider one side, that is this side. Okay, so let us start. 198 divided by 11 plus 22. We will simplify this first. Okay, now this is a question of BODMAS again. Here both two functions are given, division and addition. So what is to be done first? Division. So first we will do division. 198 divided by 11. Apply divisibility test of 11. Alternate digits. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So yes, it is divisible by 11. So let us see what answer we are getting. 11 ones are 11. 8 is remaining. 11 eights are 18 plus 22. And therefore this is equal to 40. So our left hand side is we got is 40. Now let us see right hand side. 198 divided by 22 plus 11. First we have to do this. So divide this by 28. Now here when we divided by 11 we got 80. Now again 18 divided by 2 means this will be 9 plus 11, and that is equal to 20. Now one side is 40, other side is 20, so it can't be an equality. So it is an inequality. So what we can say that 40 is greater than 20. And therefore finally what we can write? 198 divided by 11 plus 22. In the box we have to put this symbol greater than is equal to 198 divided by 22 plus 11. Right? See, this 11 and 22, simply they are interchanged and the values are different. This much difference is there, okay? And therefore, greater than, this is called greater than symbol. And so what is our answer? That is A, greater than. This symbol is to be put in between. Okay, so let us do next sum. One year payment of to the servant is 2500 plus one shirt. See, 1 year payment means 12 months payment. Okay, so let us write 12 months payment. 12 months payment is 25 rupees 2500 plus one shirt. Plus one shirt means this price of shirt. So let us consider, let price of shirt be X. Price of shirt be rupees X. Okay, so the payment will be rupees 2500 plus rupees X. This is 12 months. Therefore, 1 month payment, 1 month's payment equal to 2500 plus X upon 12. But what happened? He leaves after 9 months. So he worked only for 9 months. So let us find out payment of, therefore payment after 9 months. 9 months. This is equal to 2500 plus X upon 12 into 9. This much payment he should get. And that is equal to what he got? He got 1800 plus shirt. So, but he got 1800 plus shirt means X. So let us equate them. Now this is an equality. Let us equate them. 2500 plus X upon 12 into 9 is equal to 1800 plus X. Now we have to solve this, right? Again, it is an equation, use of later. So we are going to solve. But for that, here we cannot do any cancellation. We can cancel this 9 and 12. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are. And therefore, now our equation is 3 into bracket 2500 plus X equal to, this 4 is to be taken on that side and here it is divided by, so here we will multiply this. Okay. Okay. So now the multiply, let us multiply this. This will be 25 3s are 7500 plus 3x. And here it is 18 4s are 7200 plus 4x. Now, again, the rules we have to use, transpose method. Both the variable terms should be on one side and both the number terms should be on the other side. So what we will do, we will take 3x on this side and this 7200 on the other side. Naturally, the function changes, that means sign changes. So 7500 minus 7200 equal to 4x minus 3x. And 4x minus 3x is x, and here we'll get 300. So what is x? X is the price of the shirt. And therefore we got price of the shirt. This is what we have to find out. Price of the shirt is 300 and therefore the option is D, that is 300. So here these type of questions again can be any damn question can be converted into equation using alphabet. We can form an equation and we can solve like this. to get the unknown value. So letters are used for unknown values. Okay, let us discuss next now. Yes, now this is regarding ages. Tina's age 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Okay, so Tina's age 5 years ago was M. Tina's age 5 years ago, M years, was M years. So what is then present? Present will be naturally 5 years ago. So add 5 to get the present age. Therefore, Tina's present age. Present age equal to M plus 5. Therefore, Tina's present age is M plus 5. Right? Now, who's next? It is Meena. Okay, let us see now. Now, what is given? Meena's age 5 years hence. Age after 5 years. 5 years hence. Hence means after 5 years. Is N. N years. Every time we must write years because that is the age. N years. And therefore, Meena's present age. Meena's present age. See, suppose if you have any confusion, present age, what is, how to find present age? It is given after 5 years or before 5 years. Think of your age. Suppose I am 10 years old now. Suppose I am, you are 10 years old, I am not. But then 5 years before, means just subtract 5, you were 5 years old after before 5 years, and you will be 15 years old after 5 years, right? So if these age type questions, always think of your age and try to solve the problem. Okay. So here Meena's present age. Now she will be N years old after 5 years. So now what is her age now? Subtract 5 is M, N it is now. It is not M. N minus 5. Now these are their present ages. And what is asked? Find the sum of their ages today. Today means present ages. Okay, so let us add them. So it is M plus 5 plus N minus 5. This is Tina's age. This is Meena's age. Here what will happen? Plus 5 minus 5 will get cancelled and only M plus N will remain. These two cannot be added together, right? We cannot say Mn. Mn, the meaning of Mn is M into N. We are not multiplying them together. So it is just M plus N. And then what's the option? Yeah, years is important. Years. And therefore the option is this A. Okay. So this is how we are using letters in our mathematics. That is what is algebra. In higher classes, you are going to learn more about this. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. We'll be meeting in the next lecture. By that time, keep practicing these type of sums. Once again, I will tell you, refer our book. Okay, that's all.